Almost 85% of car owners have no idea their vehicle came loaded with features that could save them thousands of dollars, and some of these tricks are hiding in plain sight on your dashboard right now. One of these can help you avoid a $3,000 transmission repair, and another one could get you out of a locked trunk if you ever got trapped inside. Here are 10 car hacks you 100% need to know. Let's begin now with hack number 10. Hack number 10, the Recirculate button. Picture this, it's 95 degrees outside, you just got in the car, and the air conditioning feels like it's blowing warm soup for the first 5 minutes. Here's what they don't tell you. That little button with the curved arrow inside a car icon pulls air from inside the cabin instead of sucking in hot air from outside, and it cools your car almost twice as fast. But here's the kicker. That same button blocks outside air when you're stuck behind an 18-wheeler or in bumper-to-bumper traffic, so you're not breathing in diesel exhaust and smog the whole time. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Hack number 9, the fuel gauge arrow. You ever pull up to a rental car or a friend's car and just guess which side the gas tank is on? You get out, walk to the wrong side, and feel silly. On most modern vehicles built after 2000, there's a tiny triangle right next to the fuel pump icon on your dashboard, and it points to exactly which side your fuel door is on. Automakers like Ford, Toyota, and Honda have been putting this on nearly every model for over 15 years, and almost nobody notices it. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Hack number 8, the windshield washer pin trick. Your washer fluid sprays too high and misses the glass completely, or it only hits one corner of the windshield. Instead of paying a shop $40 to $60 to fix it, take a straight pin or a small sewing needle and gently push it into the tiny nozzle hole on your hood. Wiggle it around for about 3 seconds. Most nozzles have a tiny ball joint inside that lets you physically redirect the spray angle just by pressing on it with something thin. Here's the deal though, some newer cars have heated nozzles built into the hood itself, so check your owner's manual before you go poking around under there. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth. Hack number 7, the tire pressure sticker. Most people check the number stamped on the tire sidewall and fill it up to that. That number is the maximum pressure the tire can safely hold, not the number your car actually needs. The real number is on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb, and it's usually 5 to 10 pounds per square inch lower than what's on the tire. Using the wrong number wears out the center of your tread faster, and a bad set of tires can run you $600 to $1,200 depending on your vehicle. If you made it here, we'll appreciate liking the video. It'll help us do more car tips videos. Hack number 6, the glow in the dark trunk release. If you've ever seen a horror movie where someone gets thrown in a trunk, this is the real-world version. Since 2002, federal safety regulations have required nearly every car sold in the United States to have a small glow in the dark handle inside the trunk that releases the latch from the inside. It's usually shaped like a T or a pull tab, and it's mounted near the trunk lock mechanism. It absorbs light during the day so it glows for hours in total darkness. But here's what makes this even better. It also works if your trunk latch fails electronically, so even a $500 wiring problem won't leave you stuck. But wait, if that hidden feature just blew your mind, this next trick could save your brakes. Hack number 5, engine braking on hills. Riding your brakes down a long, steep grade heats up the rotors and pads fast, and repeated hard braking can cause brake fade, where your pedal suddenly feels soft and your stopping distance doubles. Here's how it actually works. Shift your automatic transmission into a lower gear, usually marked L, 2, or 3, or tap the paddle shifters if your car has them. This makes the engine itself resist the car's speed through compression, so your brakes barely have to work. Semi-truck drivers do this constantly, and it's the same reason your car has those gear options in the first place. Skipping this trick and cooking your brakes on a mountain road can lead to a repair bill of $200 to $500 for new pads and rotors. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. Hack number 4, the key fob range boost. Your key fob battery is dying, and you're standing in a parking lot, mashing the unlock button with nothing happening. Here's the trick mechanics have used for years. Hold the key fob directly against your chin or your forehead and press the button. Your skull actually conducts the radio signal and acts like a tiny antenna extender, boosting the range by as much as 40 to 50%, according to several automotive engineers who've tested it. It sounds ridiculous, but it works because your head has enough moisture and mass to carry that weak signal a little further. This next one will shock you. Hack number 3. The low tire pressure warning light isn't just for flats. Most drivers only think about that little exclamation mark light when they've got an obvious flat tire. But here's what they don't tell you. On most cars built after 2008, a slow leak of just 2 to 3 pounds per square inch can kick that light on days before you'd ever notice a visual difference in the tire. Ignoring it can lead to uneven wear, blowouts on the highway, or in the worst case, a rollover risk if you're driving an SUV or truck with a higher center of gravity. A slow leak repair usually costs under $20 at most tire shops, way cheaper than replacing a tire that blew out at 70 miles an hour. Trust me, you'll want to remember this next one. Hack number 2. The high beam headlight lever trick. You're driving down a dark country road, and a deer or another car's headlights blind you for a second while you fumble to switch your lights. On most cars, you don't need to click the turn signal stalk all the way. Pulling it lightly towards you and letting go instantly flashes your high beams once without leaving them on, which is the universal signal to warn oncoming drivers about police, animals, or debris in the road ahead. It's a split-second move, but according to AAA, that quick flash warning has helped prevent countless collisions on rural highways where street lighting is non-existent. And now, the biggest one, the hack that could genuinely save your life on a long road trip. Hack number 1. Your fuel light lies to you on purpose. When that low fuel warning light turns on, most drivers panic, thinking they've got maybe 5 or 10 miles left. Here's the real mechanism. Automakers intentionally build in a fuel reserve buffer, and on most sedans and SUVs, that light actually comes on when you still have somewhere between 30 and 50 miles of driving range left, depending on the make and model. Manufacturers like Toyota, Honda, and Chevrolet design this buffer specifically so you're never truly stranded, even if you're driving uphill or running the air conditioning at full blast. That said, running your tank completely dry is still a bad idea because on fuel-injected engines, it can suck sediment from the bottom of the tank into the fuel pump, leading to a repair that can run anywhere from $300 to $800. So use that reserve as a safety net, not a game to play. Which of these 10 did you already know before watching? Drop the number in the comments below and let us know. And if you want more videos like this, packed with hidden car features, hacks, and tricks that actually work, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.